The 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ is here, blending rugged performance with modern luxury, making it one of the most versatile SUVs ever built. Under the hood, the 2026 Land Cruiser FJ boasts a powerful engine that delivers exceptional performance for both city drives and off-road adventures. Its horsepower is impressive, giving you the confidence to tackle any terrain with ease. The front design screams dominance, featuring a bold grille and sleek yet aggressive headlights that combine modern technology with a tough, adventurous look. The bumper is reinforced, adding strength and a stylish edge to the overall design. Its wheels are large and robust, ready to handle rocky trails or smooth highways effortlessly. Moving to the sides, the clean body lines and well-contoured side glass add a refined touch to its muscular build. The door handles are crafted with precision, blending seamlessly with the vehicle's strong character. At the back, the Land Cruiser FJ flaunts a solid and elegant design with a bold tailgate and modern taillights, showing that this SUV is all about strength and sophistication. Step inside, and the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ greets you with a premium and spacious interior that redefines comfort. The dashboard is designed with a mix of functionality and elegance, housing an advanced LCD screen that integrates navigation, music, and vehicle controls with ease. The side doors feature soft-touch materials and smart storage compartments, adding to the practical luxury. The gear lever is perfectly placed for easy reach, with a start button that brings the engine to life instantly. The steering wheel is wrapped in premium material, offering an excellent grip and access to multiple controls, ensuring convenience while driving. The front seats are designed for ultimate comfort, with adjustable settings in a plush feel. Moving to the back, the rear seats offer ample legroom and comfort, making long journeys enjoyable. Between the rear seats, there's a practical table for added convenience, perfect for holding snacks, gadgets, or even a laptop. The cargo space is generous, providing plenty of room for luggage, camping gear, or sports equipment, making this SUV perfect for family trips or adventurous outings. The 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ is expected to start at a highly competitive price, offering incredible value for the features and performance it delivers. With its blend of power, luxury, and advanced technology, it stands out as a strong contender in the premium SUV market. Overall, the 2026 Land Cruiser FJ is not just a vehicle, it's a statement of adventure, strength, and luxury combined into one remarkable package. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to stay updated with Turboxel.